Hello folks, welcome back to another lesson. This one is going out for Patreon John Feldman. Thanks for requesting this, John, and for your support. We are doing Rhinosaur by Soundgarden. You want to drop your low E down to D, so it's going to sound like this. To match your fourth string. Tone-wise, I'm going for the funny little boxes 91. You don't need a lot of gain for this one, so an overdrive pedal will get you there. You don't need a distortion pedal particularly. And the verse parts are 6/4. The chorus parts are 4/4, so you know, Soundgarden, you've got a little bit of weirdness going on. So the intro goes like this. Now the easiest way I think to play this is a bit unusual, right? Because usually you would play on the tips of your fingers, but then you've got a then you've got to cover these strings to get this one-fingered power chord on the 10th fret. So just hammer-ons, right? There's a couple of ways you could do it. First way would be using your second finger to then come over the top to grab these two low strings, right? And then, you know, go between your second and your first. You could do it that way, or, which is the way I was playing it in the intro, flatten your first finger, and you just you just keep your finger in at the same level that your first finger's at, right? Less clean, but with the distortion you can't really tell, right? Or my other way would be so pick your poison, up to you. So the first part comes in just before the first beat of the next bar, right? And then you're going to play this around 4 times. That's the riff, okay? So 4 times round of that. So you're going to do down, up, down, change. Then that again. Then you play 2 whacks and then a staccato 10th fret. And then, okay? And then again. So slowly. Like that, okay? Then the next 4 parts are basically just a simplified version of that, where you hang on the 10th fret for 4 beats. So you play. Like that, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. That's the difference, basically. Then we're into the chorus part, which goes like this. It goes around the chorus 4 times, 3 times just as I played it, but then on the 4th time it goes into a bar of 2/4. So you'd have this for the last time. You know, and then you're back into that again, right, into the verse. So we're going to do down, up, down, change, down, up, down, change, down, up, down, down. Okay, so it's again just 5 chords, 2 finger stuff. So we've got, and that last one's staccato, right? 4, 4, and then you come up here for hammer on, and then the last time back into that riff again, okay? Second verse is the same, 4 times of 4 of those, and then 4 of 3, 4. those, then into the second chorus, right? Now there's some other stuff going on. I think it's harmonised guitar parts, or they're using some sort of pedal. But I'll show you the 3 guitar parts. So we've got... which I would suggest you're probably going to want to play. You do that 3 times, but the 4th time round it's going to play this. And that rings out for 2 bars. So it's just another bar of 3, 4 there when you go back to the 6th fret, right? So that's guitar 1. The guitar 2 plays. Okay, so that's the harmony with that. And then it goes, the 4th time's the same, actually. It goes... like that. Now the other guitar part is playing... right, it plays that once, and this comes in after you've done 2 times of the chorus already, okay? Because it only plays 2 times round. So that was the first one. The second time... and it goes to that low 3. Same as the other 2 guitar parts, right? Then we're into a guitar solo. The rhythm part behind it, though, just plays... just plays that, right? So that would be... that's the first part. So it's a hammer on, and then you pluck this 12th fret, right? Then there's kind of a triplet. And then... I say kind of a triplet because you abandon it quickly to move to these, so it might be incidental. So if you aim to just go... and then move, you'll hear almost a triplet anyway. You know what I mean? So it could be a triplet. It could be a triplet. It might be just that. You know, pick your poison again. And the solo part is D pentatonic, so you play... you know, 1st and 2nd position. So stuff like... you know, playing that quick with wah sounds really fast. And, you know... you know, have fun over that bit. Then there's some more chorus with harmony parts that come in after that, which is going to be... you know, with all the other stuff. You do it 3 times, and the 4th time... that is it. So you just basically do twice round of that. Twice round of that, and then you end with... and that, folks, is it. Hope you enjoyed it. Nice and easy. See you soon.